Welcome back ATS. So today we'll be diving into the exciting world of IPO, learning how to place an IPO order and to modify the existing bid in WhatsApp. It is simple, easy and secure. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp and send a friendly hi message to the number displayed on the screen. Or you can even click on the link provided in the description that will automatically redirect you to WhatsApp where you can send the hi message. Within few seconds, you will receive an automated reply with a warm welcome. From there, you can click on Apply IPO. After selecting the IPO, you will receive a list of ongoing IPOs, so you can select the IPO which you are interested in. Once you have selected the IPO, you will receive a short message detailing the important information like lot size, cutoff price, start date. For further details, you can visit to our website or any of our social media platforms. Now enter the number of lot size you want to apply for and select the cutoff price. Set the total value and provide your UPI ID for payment. Yes, and you'll receive a message that your order is successfully placed. In few seconds, you'll receive a payment link in your respective UPI app. Now let's explore how to modify an order. Follow the same step. Send a hi message, but this time select the modify IPO bid. You'll receive a list of IPOs you have applied for. Here you can view your IPO details, or you can even cancel your orders if needed. There you have it. Simple, easy and secure to apply for an IPO using WhatsApp. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more insightful content. Thank you for watching and happy investing.